Please welcome Patrick Ta.
Hi everybody! How's everyone doing? You guys, I am really grateful to share some of the tips and tricks that I have been doing for the last 12 years of my career. So this is Thara, this is my model. I'm gonna be showing you guys basically my foundation routine. Let's get started. So I went ahead and I did Thara's eyes beforehand because I really want to focus on some key products here. My foundation, my contour, and my blush. I recently just launched this foundation last year. My Major Skin Hydrolux Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation. So I really wanted to make sure that we had shades that match every skin tone. When you are doing a client, and especially a celebrity, it's your first time doing their makeup. You want to like just blow them away. You want to make sure that they like love your makeup because you have one chance. There's only one Rihanna. You better slay the first time or you're not coming back. This foundation truly is like gonna be your best friend. No matter what skin like you put it on, like it's just going to just soak and really just look so luminous and glowy, and like that's the skin that I want on all my clients. So I'm gonna be using shade 16 and 17. So like I've been doing like a couple of different techniques. I've been doing like underpainting, but I've also been doing foundation first. Oh yeah, guys, this is Matthew. This is my makeup assistant. This foundation is going to be every other product's best friend. How long do you guys take to do makeup? 2 hours? 1 hour? 2 hours, girl, come on. Like the longest makeup that I've ever done is probably like 5 hours. But obviously it's not like we're working the whole entire time. We're just like chit-chatting. We're looking at the hair, we're taking breaks, like the hairstylist is pulling the hair. I can't work on the eyeliner. So it takes like a good amount of time. I really wanted to make sure that I incorporate all of like the skincare products that I normally do and putting it into my foundation. So there's squalane, there is kombucha, all the glow that you are seeing on the model's skin. It's truly from the skincare ingredients. This is a light to medium coverage, and I would not build it up to be full coverage. I constantly change the way that I apply too. Like I watch like all the videos and I'm like, oh, God damn it, I should have done it like that. So I'm constantly learning as well. So this is my Major Sculpt product. So this is one of the first products that we launched like 4 years ago. And this has been Sephora's #1 brush for a very long time. This is our dual-ended contour brush, one side for cream and one side for powder. And I'm using the shade She's Chiseled. This side of this brush basically is your best friend when it comes to contouring. Really just pressing the contour into the hollows of the cheekbones. Isn't she like so beautiful? I know. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender now and I'm just gonna go in pressing motions and really just like kind of melt all of the products together. Because the foundation is like so hydrating, it allows every other product to really blend seamlessly into the skin. This is a foundation that you are going to need to set. It's not a foundation where you just plop it on and walk out. This is like set certain areas of your face because it is a luminous foundation, but it is going to look like so beautiful on everyone. It's going to allow your skin to look like skin and just give you like this really like hydrated finish. Has anyone tried my nose contour brush? This nose contour brush is so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contour the nose. I was given only 35 minutes up here. Remember, I take 2.5 hours. We have 16 minutes left to finish everything. I like to like allow this like product to get like a little bit more dry and tacky because I feel like the nose, like you tend to like get oily. So I'm gonna use some concealer. Do you guys like my hair like this or is it? I've had the other hairstyle for so long. What is everyone's favorite blush color?
She's so LA.
Do we know her? Who said that? Okay. When I first started the brand, like a lot of like the names of like my first products were just like sayings that I would say to my friends. Now we're trying to continue it and it's so difficult. I grew up in San Diego and I dropped out of high school my junior year and I moved to Arizona. I grew up watching my mom do manicures and pedicures, and my mom and my dad basically grew up as like Vietnamese immigrants and their whole entire family did nails. I somehow convinced my mom and my dad to open up a store with me. So I had a tanning and nail salon for 3.5 years. And I was like, I'm gonna have like the best salon. I am going to like not run it the way that my parents do. And I feel like as you get older, you're like, oh, like they do know something. But I just like didn't want to listen to them. So it did really well at first. I learned a lot. Like I feel like I was able to experience a lot of successes at a very young age, but also experience a lot of very hard times at a very young age. I had to file bankruptcy when I was 21. And that was when I fell in love with artistry, I fell in love with makeup, and this career was never something that I thought that I was going to do. I started doing makeup and my mom and my dad were like, oh my God, like what the hell is your problem? Like you didn't finish school, you didn't finish like this salon and now you want to do makeup. I also came out of the closet that year too and fell in love with it. I love being around women, I love being around like just like the whole energy and like the feeling of like getting ready. I feel like because I was obsessed with it, like it allowed me to move to Los Angeles and like I did it for fun. Like I did it, it was never like about like how much money was I going to make, but I used to charge like $65. And my parents would be like so proud and they would be like, you need to charge less because you need to do more people. And one day I was like, no, I wanted quality over quantity. The first few years of just being in LA and like learning the process and like learning basically like the industry, like I would call my mom every single time I made $500 today. And they would be like, what? Like, what the hell? Like, can I do the nails? Like, I want to be at my jobs every single day. Before this brand, like I was like a working makeup artist every single day. Like the newer generation probably doesn't know that about me. To be able to grow and to be able to learn like the business side of things is like really inspiring to me. So I'm not gonna finish today, oh my God. I need to get to the blush at least, oh my God. The start of why I did cream over powder, like I started my career off, I only had powder products. I didn't have any cream products in my kit. I would buy them thinking that like, okay, if I buy it, I'm going to use it and I'm going to act like I'm one of like the chic artists who do like really light makeup. I would use the cream on top of my powder just to like as like a finishing touch, just to like bring back a little bit of glow, and like I became like obsessed with the finish that it gave my skin. So that's why you guys see like a cream and a powder together. You guys can use this however you guys want. You guys can use the cream just one day. You guys can use the powder just one day. You can layer however you guys want to layer, but like the formula in this, let me shut up and just let me just, so really swirl the product into the brush so you have an even coat. And no matter how pigmented it is, you are going to be able to apply the product in pressing motions. Oh my God, I have 25 seconds. I want to show one more thing. This is she goes to the gym. I'm going in with the cream now. So the cream on top of the powder. I'm just gonna put this, I really want to melt the product into the entire brush, and applying the cream right on top of the powder is going to like give luminosity to the skin. I'm only gonna show you one of the things from the new launch, but this is our new Body Glow, and it smells amazing. So it's really refined pearl. There's no glitter, and it smells so good. You guys can smell her after. Girl, I wore it right here. I'm not gonna blend the nose because we don't have time. But I have been wanting to launch these products for these eyeshadows since I first found out about them like 4.5 years ago. I was finally able to, I'm like, this, I need it. I need this in my line. I'm obsessed with this formula. It gives you like this sheen that I feel like you can't get with like other eyeshadows. And my favorite way to apply it is basically just like little pressing motions. I just want like a little twinkle on the eye. This is like perfect when you're like on stage and you're just like, you're giving your speech and like you're blinking and everyone's just looking at your eyes. Like that's what I'm thinking when I'm looking at my clients like at award shows. I'm just literally looking at their eyes and they're blinking. And it gives me like these little butterflies. I'm like, oh my God, it looks so good. But that's what I wanted with this product. Like I don't like to wear these products like super opaque. Basically like a dust of pearl on top of your matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna add a little bit of all over Glow Bomb. You guys can see like how yummy that is. Basically, that's it. You guys, thank you so much again. Thank you for taking the time.